So when you look at siding warranties and what they really cover and what they don't, the siding manufacturers are warranting that their product will perform as stated if they're installed properly. Now, James Hardie has a very good warranty. It's 30 years, it's non-prorated, covers any manufacturer's defect during that process. One of the exclusions is that if it's not put on right, that they're not gonna honor that. So that's important to make sure that it's put on right. Some types of vinyl sidings and engineered wood, they're more of a prorated siding. So each year the warranty drops off. Engineered wood siding, that warranty, it's multiple pages. There's multiple exclusions that limit the exposure of the company to some of the claims that could be honored down the road. It also talks about not being able, by putting the siding on, you're not able to join any class action lawsuits. So at that point, it's you versus a giant corporation when it comes to warranty claims if there's a dispute. So you really want to read the fine print in the warranties, because they are structured very differently. Some vinyl siding companies have fade warranties. When you actually look at the fade warranty, they have what's called a Delta Hunter unit, and so they'll say that their siding will not fade more than 5 Delta Hunter units. When you look at what is acceptable fading to them versus the original color, it's totally different. So technically there's a fade warranty, but when it fades to this point, it looks terrible. And so it's really important to look at these warranties, look through them as you're considering the products, and we've found that James Hardie's warranty is the clearest, the simplest, 30 years, non-prorated, twice the purchase price of the material, by far the best warranty in the siding industry. And it's because they have the best product. You have the best product, why wouldn't you have the best warranty that's associated with it? As long as it's installed properly. It's the big caveat. So you want to make sure that you have someone that knows what they're doing, so that in any case, that warranty is going to be honored down the road.